So today was a beautiful day, except for the fact that the rain came down after and I almost got wet, but apart from that, it was a great day. So I went to the Pegasus to meet up with a friend, and of course we were there, so me and Casey we decided to just look around the place and take some photos. So you know me, as always, love taking photos and doing vlogs, but you know, I hired Casey for the day to take my photographs. So she said, "Mommy, I'm so hungry." So I went to the 24/7 cafe to look what they have and grab something to eat. So I don't remember what this meal name, I saw it on the board, it caught my eye, so I ordered it. So Casey got the panini, grilled cheese sandwich or something another, I think. And of course, a fruit punch. And for me, I got, you know, my favorite sorrel beer, which was refreshing and it complemented my meal. So Casey enjoyed the meal, but she could only eat half of the sandwich. So I just wrapped the other rest up and allowed her to take it home. And of course, Kingsley was busy with his meeting. Afterwards, we decided to look at the pool, which was beautiful. For dessert, I got a coconut crust cheesecake, but I don't remember what Casey ordered. So we couldn't eat it off, so we packed it in a bag and go.